Hello and welcome to Ballyshannon Community Nursing Unit. We're here today looking at Fast Trak on site with O'Hara Harrison and also Core Distribution. We're going to look how the Fast Trak's been installed, how they've used the features and benefits, and also how quick the project has actually taken compared to using traditional methods. So let's go and take a look inside.
This is the first time we've used Fast Trak yet. We've seen it on brochures, we've seen it for sale, but this is the first job that we've committed to using it on yet. We have installed electrical services, mainly IT, BMS, fire alarm and power. Fast Trak does the same job as traditional methods, but it's so much quicker for everybody to install. It's easier to put up, it's straighter, it's stronger, in my opinion, for what it has to do, so it's better.
It's great to see the new Fast Trak being installed on this site. What we can see is loads of different features and benefits being used. One of the features is the ability to use the bracket in any orientation. We've got a 4-tiered system here where they've utilised it in the C orientation, especially by using the Fast Trak cable basket clips. That basket is installed in seconds and it gives it a great connection for that containment running around the site.
The idea behind Fast Trak in this job is the speed. So they're under time pressures. It's a lot of multi-tier brackets, so they ideally suit it. Because of short drops, the product was Fast Trak. On the project as well, because it's a hospital's environment, there's a lot of data sheets required, so they need their CE marks, they need their accreditations, they need their pill tests, they need a lot of stuff that Gripple could offer on Fast Trak that couldn't be offered in other products.
When we brought Fast Trak to our customers, it was really exciting for Core Distribution to offer something new and innovative to the market. Our customers are so used to traditional methods, threaded rod, cutting up channel, real time and labour put into that part of it. And when we brought Fast Trak to the project, it really took off straight away because they could see the benefits of using the product on site.
Gripple and Core has been a fairly new relationship. We've been together now for a year, but so far I've found great success. We do a lot of joint visits, a lot of joint calls, great working relationship. We'll go out and work together. They'll bring the materials into Dublin, then they'll work on the distribution side of it, where that's their strong point, and we'll work then on the data sheets, producing all the technical side of it.
So as you can see, we're here in the stores for O'Hara Harrison now on site, and we have all the brackets nicely in their own section. There's no 3 metre, 6 metre lengths of channel or 3 metre lengths of rod. It's all nicely packed, nicely put away. So when the boys get to site, they can see exactly what they have within the stores, and Core will manage their workload on products stage by stage. So when we get to the next level of the project, we bring in the next batch of Fast Trak hangers and Fast Trak brackets to site.
Gripple offers good service, yeah. They had a site meeting and gave us toolbox talks and talked about the loadings that the brackets could take, talked about the pull tests, and that they would, anywhere where we weren't sure about the strength of the fixing points, that they would do a pull test on it to ensure that it was meeting the standards.
On this job, because there's 3 or 4 different substrates, we come and done various pull tests when required. So we done one before the lads started in the old building, just to ensure it was fixed through the plasterboard. And then in the new building here, we're fixing through the concrete, so we done a few pull tests here to ensure we had the strength as well in the fixing.
We'll definitely be using Fast Trak in all our projects going forward. We're storing it ourselves in our own stores now, so going forward, it's quicker, it's faster, it's easier to install, it's easier to store, and we'll probably never go back to traditional hanging systems again.